Hi everyone, my name is Sam Drisi. I'm the co-founder of bIPQuantum. Super happy to present the project. Of course, it's deployed on ICP. So why bIPQuantum? BIP for blockchain intellectual property, quantum for the advanced AI, and the ambition is to disrupt the way how we interact with intellectual property. I'm the co-founder also of Artisu, a platform dedicated to intellectual property certification using blockchain with different protocol. We start with the first Bitcoin stamp, evolving to Ethereum and Polygon, and now proudly in ICP for the canister usability and the easy way to implement any kind of AI and deployment of front end and back end for real. So this is the way to build the new protocol. And our ambition is to have a bIPQuantum 721X, a protocol dedicated to intellectual property as an advanced NFT to make it easy. AI dedicated to intellectual property consultation. And of course, the final step would be a DAO. So to give you a certain number here, why IP? This is $1 trillion value market. IP bring value to anything. Any idea, as soon as you give it shape, whatever in paper or using a computer or a design, it's became an intellectual property. So intellectual property consultation is a $30 billion value in US annually. And it's a $2 billion in Switzerland. To give you like tangible numbers here. The problem we are tackling first is the evidence of ownership when you create anything with AI, because unfortunately, I don't know if you were with that. As soon as you create any AI creation, you are not able to copyright it, except in China. Licensing and royalties transparency. The idea is to be able to license for ease any kind of IP, whatever a text, like scientific formula, a book, a design, an image, an algorithm, and anything else, video, audio, etc. And finally, IP management across jurisdiction. The idea is to bridge blockchain with the real world, generating not only a smart contract to manage the asset and royalties, but also generating a conventional ownership contract, give you like right to use it in the real world. The solution is in 4 milestones. The first step is blockchain certification with the canister, conventional protection bridge, which mean, for example, a US copyright to combine blockchain with the real world. AI-driven legal support. The idea is to have a legal consultation with equivalent to an IP lawyer without spending a fortune, with all my respect. And finally, licensing made easy. GameFi for gaming, MetaUse for Metaverse, SaaS for software as a service, physical reproduction advertisement, for example. Technological partners, we use AWS to store and manage the data, adding the security on it for now. Of course, is the canister with Definity for the blockchain part. And for now, we're using also OpenAI, and we have the ambition to evolve to open source solution as Llama. As a key client, Deloitte select us as a solution to protect more than 30 deep tech startup in Africa. I'm really grateful for that. This is the proof blockchain can democratize the way how we interact with IP. Our business model, to make it simple, of course, the idea is to have open source and free solution, but also we are thinking about paid formula based in the voting from the community. Everything will be decided by the community. That's our target. Why having a paid solution? Maybe to be able to support the evolving version in the future. Transaction fee also the same thing. Consulting services based in different jurisdiction to disrupt the way how we interact with lawyers today. So if you are developing a technology in US, specific jurisdiction like New York, you'll be able to have a dedicated lawyer with a reasonable package able to be paid in token, why not, and help you to evolve and make profit from your asset. Partnership and collaboration, this is the key, not only university, law firms, technology providers to make the technology as a real standard. And finally, data analytics and insight. The idea is to be able to put value in the data and of course, respecting the personal information. Our milestone in 4th step, the POC is the first step. The second step is to be able to integrate an API to manage the IPFS and all assets associated to the intellectual property asset. NFT framework, that's why we're talking about the BIP ERC 721X. Why 721X? Because we are using the same standard as a base from the 721C development in Ethereum with better indexation and more transparent metadata. And finally, the DAO for the better governance and to be able to help other startups to shine and make profit from their asset, of course. The team, that is Luke, the legal manager. Anchor is our project manager, managing two other people, DevOps and also blockchain programmer. We're going to add them, of course, for the next presentation. And Sabrina is our manager administration in Switzerland. Strategic roadmap, the POC is the first step. I'll be able to present you in another video. Public launch, we targeted in Q3 2024. Next step will be community building and initial feedback. So I will share with you a link to be a beta tester, and please give us a maximum support to be able to change the world and help anyone to shine from their IP. Enhance IP consultation services with the legal consultation managed and more transparent. Launch fractionalization and tokenization features to give you the ability to, for example, sell 20% of your intellectual property to raise money, complete your research development, or why not develop your MVP. And finally, scaling user base. Our target is 100,000 users worldwide with, I hope, like a worldwide certification. When we talk about worldwide certifications, bridging blockchain with conventional certification, whatever is US, India, China, Europe. This is the global copyright patent integration. So to change the way how we integrate and interact with IP now. So this is our QR code. You can scan it to have more information about us. This is our information, the email if you need to contact me. And I wish you a wonderful day and talk to you soon.